Hi, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a contact in Xero. So the first thing that you'll need to do is go and open your preferred browser and go to the URL section, type xero.com. Once you do so, you'll be taken to their home screen or main screen. If you have an account, click at the top right corner login option, and if you don't, click on try Xero for free. For me, I'll just go here and log in into my account. Once you're logged in, you should be taken to the dashboard. Here, as we said, we would like to add a contact, so we'll have to navigate into the contact tab. Go and click on that tab right here, as you can see, then click on all contacts. So once you do so, you'll be taken here. All you need to do, just close this and you will find yourself right here. So what you'll need to do is go here below and click on New Contact. Once you do so, you will be taken here to this page, here where you will have to fill all the informations about your new contact, starting by the only required option, which is the contact name. So here, an example, I'm just going to add a name like Omex as an example. And here, of course, you'll be able to add an account number and you'll be able also to add a lot of other details. But those details are not necessary to add. The only required thing that you'll need to add is basically the contact name. Other stuff is just optional. So the account number, which is adding a unique account number to identify, reference, and research for the contact. So let's say this name is Omex. You can, as example, like do a short thing which is OX or something like that to identify this person. Of course, you can add primary person informations like the first name, last name, email. You can add some additional people as example, or another person, email. You can add some business information, some phone number, websites, business registration number, some notes, address as example, financial details, sale defaults, and purchase defaults as example, and all those informations are just optional. The only necessary one is contact name. Once you finish, click on save and close, and this will add a new contact to your contact list. If you go and click in here, as you can see on the history, you will find created. So Omex has been created, a new contact. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.